Let's make this lasagna together. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? Always keep your knife sharp. Slice the mushrooms to these dimensions. Cut the chicken breast like me. Add butter and olive oil to the pan and add the chicken. Add garlic powder, paprika, chili flakes, coriander seeds, salt and pepper to it, and fry well until the flavors are mixed. Add the mushrooms and immediately the fresh lemon. Remove the mushroom and chicken mixture from the pan. Let's make the sauce. Finely chop the onion. Chop the garlic like an onion. After removing the eggs from the chili pepper, chop it finely. In the same pan, start frying the onion with olive oil. Then add garlic and chili. After 2 minutes, add cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, half and half, mozzarella cheese, mustard, chili oil that we made earlier, and oregano, and mix until the sauce is smooth. Set aside 1 cup of the sauce. Now add the chicken to the sauce and cook for 2 minutes. Then add fresh parsley and remove from the heat. Pour the first layer of the sauce that we separated earlier. The next layer is lasagna sheets, then chicken, lasagna sheets, and blah blah blah. Pour the last layer of mozzarella cheese and parsley. Cook for 30 minutes with foil and the last 10 minutes without foil. The best and easiest chicken lasagna in the world is ready. Enjoy your meal.